Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Pathseeker here, bringing you yet another video. In this one, I'm on a game of TDM in NUK3TOWN, destroying some people with my haymaker. So, real quick in this video, what I wanted to talk about is shit that's going on with Black Ops 4. As you may know, Black Ops 4, the beta comes out October 12th, I believe it is. So, I am definitely going to be playing that, and I will definitely be getting some clips for you guys and making some sick montages with my friends. So the next thing I want to talk about is my streams, and my streams are going to be starting up this weekend with my buddy iTriggered, and we will be doing that from 3 to like, I don't even know, from like 3 to like 8 or 9 at night on Saturday or Sunday, one or the other. But they will definitely be starting this weekend. Anyways, guys, that's really all I wanted to talk about, so yeah, just enjoy the rest of this gameplay of NUK3TOWN on Black Ops 3. And the reason why I'm playing Black Ops 3 is because I'm super hyped for Black Ops 4 to come out October 12th. Remember that October 12th is when the beta comes out, and that's when you'll be seeing videos on this channel for it. So yeah, anyways, just remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I will all see you in the next one. Peace.
Fatality.
If you don't know about Deco by now, rude boy, check out the.
Fatality. Fatality.